अब जिक्र वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ का, जिन्होंने वाज़ेह किया है कि गज़ा में अमन के बगैर दुनिया में अमन कायम नहीं होगा। रियाज़ में आलमी इक़्तिसादी फ़ोरम के खुसूसी इजलास के अख्तामी सेशन में इजहार ख्याल करते हुए उन्होंने मुल्की मसाइल पर भी बात की।
Make it very clear that the world will not be in peace unless there is permanent peace in Gaza. I'm telling you very frankly, and we are all feeling that. Our revenue sector in tatters. What we receive annually, we lose at least 4 times that amount through leakages. And unless we plug these loopholes, we'll never be able to recover from these devastating impacts out of actions of our own, nobody else's. Let me be very clear. And then there is also a problem of inflation and debt trap. I call it death trap. Now all this put together is a big challenge. We are now going for massive reforms, deep-rooted structural reforms.